Lola, wag ka matumba dito. Video na to.
Video?
Oo. Yes.
Okay, good morning. I just want to learn how to bike. This is for you. This is for you. One part of exercising. And I hope you will like this. This is for you. I hope everything is fine with you. I will love you. I love you. Take care of yourself. Want you to be happy. Do some exercise. Ay!
Sexy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not making it perfect. I need a more time.
Learn how to bike.
I love you. Oh. I'm here. Wild face here for practicing. Hi. Oh. How are you? I'm doing this for you, okay? Okay, I love you. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay.
It's really hard to do this, okay?
Okay.
And I'm trying to be perfect. I'm trying to be perfect, okay? It's Sunday morning here.